Hey guys, welcome back. It is time for my fava bean update. Okay, as you guys I'm sure remember, I planted these fava beans on January 26th. So it's been almost 2 weeks, and as you can see, they sprouted nicely. Now, what you also may notice is that when I did these, if you watched the first video, I had some other toilet paper roll holders in here that had my beans in it. There they are. They're kind of being slow pokes. Right there, you can see one. That one's trying to come through. And generally speaking, the peas, anything in the legume family, they pretty much have spotty germination anyways. You're not going to get to me, if I can get 80% germination rates, I'm good. Okay, so here is, and if you remember, one of the reasons I planted in these in particular was because they get a long, deep taproot. And again, these aren't even 2 weeks old, but I want you to see this. See that? Right there? There's the roots. Now, I do have a little bit of soil down in there that just kind of fell through when I was seeding these. But overall, these guys are looking really, really great. And I'm really happy with the progress. Try to get a better angle on these. Once they get about up to here, which I figure be another week and a half or so, give or take, I'm going to get ready to plant them out in the garden. The plan is actually, if the weather cooperates, to get them out in the garden probably the last week of February. Now, next week in our area, and I'm in South Central, actually, West Virginia, they're predicting, I think it's next Sunday, so a week from today, the nighttime temperature, the low, to be down, I think it's 7 degrees. Well, that's too low. They're only cold hardy to like 10 degrees. But I'm hoping that'll be our last cold snap. I mean, seriously cold snap, below 20. But as soon as the nighttime temperatures are above 20 degrees steadily, ideally 25, these bad boys are going to go out, which should be, like I said, around the end of February. And right now, I'm just looking to see if I see any tendrils coming out. Not yet, at least not on this batch. Okay. Yeah, during the daytime, like even right now today, it's sunny out. But it's only like, I think the temperature is, oh, it's 36. Okay, it's warmed up a smidge. It's 36 degrees outside, but it's nice and sunny. I'm going to put these outside. So, yeah, there you go. I will post another update here in another week and a half or so, right before these get ready to get put out, so you can kind of get an idea of what they look like, the final maturity level that I'm looking for before I transplant these out. All right. Thanks, guys. Hope you all have a great day. And again, enjoy your weekend. See you soon. Thanks, guys.